Morning guys, how are we doing? So this is Charlie, my Type 25 camper van, and this is how the restoration is going. Just had the interior delivered. It was made by a company called Evo Design. Have a look at this. This is the company Evo Design that have actually made the interior for us. So as you can see, there are an awful lot of things in the box with many instructions, but this is how it's going to look when it's all built up. That's what it'll be like. The blue colour is the colour of the actual kitchen units, which is going to be amazing, and then the grey is the top of the units. So this is Charlie. He's a 1984 water-cooled Type 25 camper van, and this is what that interior is going to go into. We decided to get the tambour door just because it'll give us some more space within the van, and I think it'll look really cool. It'll finish off the units well. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, maybe please drop a like, and if you'd like to follow the restoration, sub as well. Cheers.